how to add contacts on WhatsApp Wave. So basically guys, adding contacts on WhatsApp Wave is quite straightforward process. So here is a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. Firstly, open the new tab in your web browser you have launched. So after you tap on the new tab, all you have to go is tap on three dot available in your Google and tap on the extensions and go to the Google Web Store. Tap on the Google Web Store and here you'll have to tap on the search icon bar and search for InTouch app, and you'll get to see the InTouch app option available in the top. Tap on it and all you have to do is tap on the add to Chrome. After you tap on the add to Chrome, you'll have to tap on the add extension options shown in your page. So now it will be downloaded to your PC or Mac, and now all you have to do is go to the WhatsApp app, and here is a long detailed instructions on how to add contact using InTouch app. So after this, when you go to the WhatsApp and refresh the page, you will get to see the InTouch app here. Now by using this, you can very easily add contacts on WhatsApp Wave. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.